Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very first Styletone box, not the ultimate Styletone box, but the original Styletone box of 2021. I can't wait to see what this box holds. We got a satchel and we're gonna open it up and see what the inside is. Oh. Okay, hold on. You got to be kidding me. Let me just check the booklet. Oh, God, no. Okay, so right in the middle of that, my camera died. Sorry, I had to shut off that light over there, so there's kind of shadowing right here, but it's fine. Yeah, the exact same items as we received in the Styletone Ultimate box, which is something I'm not too pleased with. I have to contact Styletone and see whether or not this is going to be like this every single month, where we get, like in the original Styletone box, we get all of the items that were in the Ultimate box, because there is no need for me to have two of the exact same boxes. I think what I'm going to do, if that is the case, I'm going to actually delete the Styletone box and just have the Ultimate Styletone box, because I remember in the email seeing that we could have that monthly. It's a bummer. It's a bummer. We have all of the exact same items, so I'm going to go through it pretty fast because you already saw this in the Ultimate box. The first item is the Ellipse Vitamin Hair Mask, which, like I said, like I mentioned, y'all already saw in that other mask. Don't mind my nail. I'm actually working on it, so don't look at that. This is what it looks like. I've already tried it. It's okay, but it's, I don't know, it's nothing special, at least not for my hair. The Ellipse mask, the hair mask, is worth €4.20. So that is in here. Of course, in the Ultimate box, there are way more items than in just the regular Styletone box. The box fell on the floor. But these are 5 items that were in that box that are in the same damn box. So the next item is the Avant, the Age Radiance, no, the Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. Mouthful. Basically just random pads, and I know that these were ridiculously expensive. They are worth €40. I have not tried the other ones out. Still need to do that. Up next is something from Hot Makeup, which is the concealer in the color BC20. I can't remember whether or not I received BC20 in the last box. I think I did. But I'm going to pass this along to one of you guys because way too dark for me. The Hot Makeup Concealer, I'm not even going to get it out. You can watch that in the other video, is $14.77. Clearly you can see I'm disappointed. Satchel is empty. We got the Pez, still don't know how to pronounce this. Basically, this is what it looks like, and it is a beautiful lilac, dusty rose kind of a color. It's nail polish, and it got the exact same color in the last one, so this is $6. You'll be seeing that in a giveaway. And last but not least, we got the Pixie Balm, which again, you guys will be seeing in a giveaway, and that one is worth $8.85. And that is it for this month's box. I am heavily disappointed that this is, I guess, I will check, but I think this is what Styletone is going to do. Basically, all the boxes are the exact same products, and in the Ultimate box, you just get the most products. Highly disappointed. Why? Because when it was just the Deluxe box, not, you know, the Styletone Ultimate box, we received like 3 to 4 boxes a month, at least if you're subscribed to all. I have Look Fantastic, I have Goodie Box, I have Styletone, and I have the Deluxe box. So those 4 subscriptions. And in the Deluxe box, we received pretty much always items that were new. And when we got the Styletone box, they were completely different items. Sometimes 1 or 2 items overlapped, but in general, they were different items. And now it seems like I'm going to have 1 subscription less, because these are the exact same products that I got in the Styletone Ultimate box. Like I said, if this is the thing, I'm not down for it. I'm gonna end my subscription with Styletone. yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. So far, I'm not really digging this whole overtake thing. I honestly, now that I'm, you know, realizing what is happening, I would have preferred Belux Box to just stay the Belux Box and not join Styletone. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think? What do you think about this whole Belux thing being taken over by Styletone and having these boxes right now? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. It is still up. We're still about 10 or 11 subscribers away from giving away that satchel. After that, a new giveaway will start, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!